What's up, Trader's Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option. And today we're going to talk about the big events coming up this week and the stock that I think you need to be paying attention to right now. So with that, let's dig in. All right, folks, so here we are and recording this, and SPX, after really kind of an ugly day on Friday where it kind of went to 6,100 only to drop almost to the 21-day moving average. Nice little rebound here. Implied volatility, the VIX took it on the chin on Monday, coming off a weekend. For the VIX to be down 0.74 is a really strong move because there's this concept of weekend adjustment. So generally speaking, all things being equal, VIX should be up about 0.8% on a Monday, and then kind of lose that as the week progresses. So the fact that we closed down 0.74 tells me that volatility really came in. And we can kind of continue to expect that volatility to pull back. And why is it pulling back? Well, we had kind of this really nice drop in the bond market on Friday. It did kind of still sell off a little bit on Monday, but not very much. We have some big economic events happening this week. CPI, PPI, and Chairman Powell speaking on Tuesday and Wednesday at Capitol Hill. So there's plenty of fireworks. We get through that period, and if bonds hold up, that might be our recipe for the ultimate VIX destruction that really we have not been able to see since December. VIX has been really range-bound. Now it's having lower lows and lower highs, but that is the one area that I think is kind of interesting. Now, what is one area that I'm definitely trading this week? The answer is the big banks. They look like they're ready to roll over. They're really overbought. And, we did get a nice little pullback on Monday. I think we've got some follow through. JP Morgan, I'm looking to maybe get to 262, maybe back down toward like 255-ish. Goldman, way overbought as well. It did pull back a little bit on Monday as well, but I've got Goldman at least getting back down towards 630 and maybe as low as 600. These big banks are really overbought. The other stock I'm watching really closely that I'm going to trade this week, Apple. It looks like it is going to 220. It's sitting on support, so it could easily get a pop here. But I do think that it's going to touch this 200 before long. So watch those big banks. Watch Apple. Those are going to be the two stocks that I think could be really interesting this week to trade. Rest of the market, I like to continue to move higher. But those names, I think, are going to be my bears for the week. All right, everybody. So there you have it. We are watching, I think, the SPX to probably meander higher, volatility drop, and we're keeping an eye on whether the banks and Apple do, in fact, collapse. All right, folks, I'm Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. This is your last day to sign up for Leisha's special class that we have. If you're watching me on YouTube, please like, subscribe, leave a question or comment. I will answer it. Talk to you guys soon. I'm Mark Sebastian. I am your only option.